Welcome to another Spreadsheeters video guide. You can find written instructions for these steps on the Spreadsheeters website. In this video, we're going to see how to keep zero in Excel. When you type a number that starts with a zero in Excel, Excel tends to ignore the zeros and retains only the digits following the zero. This is the same case even if you have a single zero or multiple zeros. If the zero is in the middle of the number, of course, it is not ignored. So there may be a case where you need to keep the zeros in the number. In this example, we've got a list of ID numbers and they are supposed to have 3 zeros in front. Now these are an important part of the number, so we cannot display the ID without those leading zeros. So let's see how to do it. The first way is to format the cells. So I'll select the cells, right click, go to format. I'm going to define a custom format. So I'll select the custom option. Now the format I want is I first want 3 zeros and then I want the numbers. So if you look at the sample given above, as I'm typing the custom format, the sample is also changing accordingly. So now that this looks right, I will say OK. And you can see that the numbers are formatted to have leading zeros in front of them. This is one way of doing it. Now the second way is to use the text function. The text function takes a piece of text and applies a custom format to it. So I'll press Ctrl Z to undo this and let's use the text function. So that is text and the value I want to use is the ID. And then to define the custom format, again it is similar. I want 3 zeros and then the numbers. Say enter. Now we can see that this has been formatted to have 3 zeros, and then I just need to drag this down so that the formula is copied to the rest of the cells. So it's important to remember that when you do this, you use the text function, the value gets converted to text, so it cannot be used in calculations. In this case, it is fine because it's an ID number and I'm not going to be using it in calculations. This is how to keep zero in Excel. Please read the appended article for further guidance.